Hey guys, it's Adam from Outlier. And look, we've talked a lot about NBA, we've talked a lot about NFL, but what have we not talked about? Boom, our boys on the ice. We don't talk about hockey enough here. And as a guy who played hockey in high school, still relives his glory days of doing that 20 years ago, I just want to take you through a prop that I like tonight and something to look at. A real easy one is shots on goal. So look at all that green. You've learned to love it. Looking for a good shots on goal prop. And the key thing is here that you always want to have attempts. Hold on, I'm moving my keyboard for y'all. Everything's real when I do these videos. The key thing here is to find someone with attempts. And I'm going to show you that because sometimes what happens in hockey is when you do a prop, afterwards there'll be a score correction. They'll have a shot taken away. I've seen it happen tons of times. Been on the losing end of a lot of bad beats with that. So going to shots on goal. And opponent ranks San Jose, as we know, is terrible. The one I got my eye on is I'm looking at Columbus. And what do I already have here? I have Rasmus Dahlin. Let's take a look at this. He's got a look at that. Look at all that green. Okay. So spoiler alert. I love Rasmus Dahlin to go over his shots on goal tonight, which is at 2.5. The reason why I love it is pretty simple. So I go down to the supporting stats. I go down to shots on goal. He's averaging 6.3 shots attempts per game. So that's going to give us, if he hits 4 of them, we have insurance. We obviously only need 3, but I like that because it means he's taking a lot of attempts. He's also going against the 30th ranked shots against team in the league. Another thing that I look at minutes on ice. He's getting a solid amount of minutes on ice. He's not getting a lot on the power play, which for defensemen is a little bit problematic sometimes, but I'm not too worried because the shots on attempts are there. Again, his median shots attempts is 6 over his last 10 and 4 on goal. He's just been crushing this number. And again, look, he's exceeded his shots on goal. We get that insight right there in 9 straight games. His head-to-head limited history from months ago, but he's still done it. And again, this is a historically bad Columbus team defensively. You could just see it on the chart. He's done a really, really good job. So again, shots on goal, Rasmus Dahlin, over 2.5 shots on goal tonight. It's minus 120. You can see that it's got the best price there is on MGM. Minus 120, minus 125, better than in other places. But the key thing to constantly look for on shots on goal, look at the shots attempted. Because if a guy has got a shots on goal of 1.5 and he's only shooting 3 times a game, you're limiting your chances. It's the same way you want to look at points with guys that do a lot of either free throws or field goals. I'm Adam, and I'm obviously, again, from Outlier. I'm going to have some more videos and things this week. Good luck with your bets.